In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual journal in Xero. Manual journals are really useful when you need to record adjustments or transactions that don't come in through your normal invoices, bills, or bank feeds. Think of them as a way to keep your accounts accurate and tidy when something needs to be corrected or added behind the scenes. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen and find the menu labeled Accounting. Click on Accounting to open up a list of options related to your financial reports and transactions. This is where Xero groups all the tools you use to manage your books. In that accounting menu, look for the option called Manual Journals. Go ahead and click on Manual Journals. This will take you to the section where you can see any journals that have already been created, as well as add new ones. It's a good idea to quickly scan this list so you're aware of any recent adjustments that might relate to what you're about to enter. Next, to create a new journal, look for the button that says New Journal. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on New Journal to open a blank journal entry form. This is where you'll enter all the details for your adjustment. One of the most important fields here is the date. Set the date of the journal to match the period when the transaction should actually affect your accounts. For example, if you're making an adjustment for something that happened last month, use a date from that month rather than today's date. This helps keep your financial reports accurate for each reporting period. When you choose the date, think about whether the journal needs to be included in a particular month-end or year-end report. If your organization is working to a strict reporting timetable, double-check that the date you select lines up with the correct financial period. After setting the date, you would normally continue by entering the relevant accounts, debit and credit amounts, and a clear description, and then either save or post the journal. The key thing is that every manual journal should be carefully dated so that your profit and loss and balance sheet reflect the true timing of your transactions. And that's the basic process for creating a manual journal in Xero. Go to Accounting, open Manual Journals,